Do you like football?
Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Danny with Adams Campsite. So I want to go ahead and share this product with you. You know, you're interested out there looking for something new for your tailgates or your parties, or you know, those football fans out there that love football. Something different, something unique. And like I said, this channel is made to showcase anything that I find interesting or I feel that you might find interesting. So thank you so much for joining me, and let's get started. So here we are with a setup of Fozzy Football. As you can see, it's nice little material, vinyl. You know, we do have our defenders here, nice little steel type pucks, and then your little football puck, nice stainless steel. And you have your one side, you have your running side, and then your other side is your passing side on this vinyl mat setup. And then you have a bullseye right in the center, which is pretty much your field goals and also for your punts. I just recently had a game with my son. We had about like 5 games total. At first, you know, we're trying to calibrate ourselves to sliding this puck. But I think like in the 4th, the 5th, started scoring really high. Once you get it down, you're really like sliding and you're pushing the buttons, and it's pretty cool little setup. There is an app that you could utilize for scoring. The mechanism is really cool. Start a new game, and then you get increments 5, 10, 15. It was really good doing a 15. You know, every number here is, you know, on the mat. It keeps your score, and not only that, it actually has, you know, your where the ball's at, second down, 2 yards, 6 yards to go, and it keeps your score. So if you punt, it automatically understands and keeps score, and it just really well created. Like I said, you have your pass, and then you got your running side, and then you got your field goal or your punt area. So to say, you know, you get your 4 downs, you know, throw my puck down here, anything that's around here will be incomplete inside the red. So I would just go ahead and click pass incomplete.
And to throw it away. 2nd and 10.
Alright, and let's go ahead and go for another pass. Alright, if it's short, it's -6 on the pass. So I'll go -6.
No one is open and he's sacked. It's a loss of 6.
Alright, so let's go ahead and throw another. There you go. Now the crosshairs showcases that it was a false start, you know, on the middle of the puck. So I will go -5.
Repeat. 3rd down.
There you go. And let's say I want to do a running play. And on the running play, you know, the crosshairs hits holding -2. Now, on the system, you could actually set it up to where it does provide you a delay of game, which is pretty cool. So there's 2 ways you can score. You could either do a field goal, and obviously, you know, depending on where you're at on your field, say you're walking in and then you're at the 20-yard line. Obviously, if you get it somewhere in here, you pretty much get the points, right? Because it's 35 and up, and if you're at the 20, well, then that's automatically you get it. You know, your field goal is good because you reached the ball reached. The touchdowns, you got a little line here says touchdown. If your crosshairs, you know, lands there on that, that's a touchdown for your passing and your running game. And that's pretty much how you end up getting your touchdowns. So pretty cool little system. Enjoyed it. You know, going to its website, Fozzy Football. I know you scroll down, and without question, the best game of tabletop football, right? I mean, you know, something to look into. A few different types. You got the small roll up, you got the small roll up matte deluxe, standard roll up deluxe, wooden frame acrylic surface, 6 You got the 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet, and the 9 feet pool table conversion. You know, so obviously you can see the prices. Each one is at a different price range. For this product review, I actually got the standard matte deluxe set. So, you know, I just figured I'd check it out and see what it was all about. So thank you so much for joining me on this product review. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this content, and as always, I catch you on the flip side.